Welcome to Arush coaching classes. We have described our big data systems assignment in this. The code is there on GitHub.
About e-commerce company in Europe, which is analyzing online retail sales data of 2010 to formulate the sales strategy for 2011. So we are taking up the sales data file that is provided, and it contains 5,25,461 records. The schema of this data set is record number, invoice number, stock code, description, quantity, invoice date, price, customer ID, country. Some of the fields in some records may be blank. The analysis should be carried out using Hadoop ecosystem products after storing the data on the HDFS. The results of the analysis, along with the code and queries developed, should be submitted. So, Elaversi, can you take over?
Yeah, Shiva. Actually, to complete this assignment, we have installed VMware. On VMware, to run the Linux. This one like OS, we have used Ubuntu, and on top of it, like we have installed Hive for querying the CSV file, whatever given in the problem statement, as well as we have installed Hadoop on the backend. Okay. Uh, my screen shows we have one master and two slaves. Okay. Slave one and slave two to achieve this assignment. Okay. So I have loaded the tables into the Hive. So if you see here, show show tables. It shows that online retail data has been loaded into the Hive. Okay. And suppose if you want to print the first 10 entries from the online retail data table, just we can show it for your visualization. Okay. This is how the data looks like from the file. Uh, Shiva, can you please read out the question number 1?
Yes, Elaversi. So, for first question is total number of unique customers in the given country.
Yeah, this is the query we had written for the query question number 1. Okay, let me run it in the master. Hive. Okay, paste it. Basically, this takes time. Okay, so let us wait for the query to get executed. We can see the results once it is done. We haven't done any pre-processing on this data set. We have, since it was mentioned in the assignment, we have to retain, we should not change any data from the CSV file. We have retained the null values as well. We haven't pre-processed on the data set. And in the assignment, the given country can be taken of our choice actually. So in our case, we had taken United Kingdom. This query got completed. We are getting the result as 4036. Actually, speaking, 4035 is the count of the unique customer there. But since we haven't removed the null value, it is showing 4036. Okay. So it is as expected. Can you read the Shiva? Can you read the query number, question number 2?
Yeah. Country from which the maximum revenue was collected from sales in the month of March 2010.
Okay, yeah. These queries we have already ran in our system. To record the video, we have just saved it here. Okay, just let us run the second query here. Okay. We have to select the country and some revenue.
So currently default map and reduce programs are running, I guess.
Yes, that's what it is running. Yeah, this now the query is executed and it took almost 175.319 seconds, and the maximum uh, sales happened for United Kingdom. Okay, and we are even displaying their count as I mean revenue as well here. Okay, some of the revenue basically. Okay, Shiva, can you please read the third question?
Yeah, third question is month of 2010 in which maximum number of items were sold.
Okay, so to run that. This is for the query, question number 3. So here we have 4 different date formats. We have considered all the date format and then we have merged it in our result. Okay.
So just to confirm, this is specific to the entire data, not specific to any country, right?
Yes. Third query was in which the maximum number of items were sold. Okay. I was reading this.
Yeah, third one is executing, right?
Yeah,
Still
it's
there.
processing. It's processing.
Yeah.
Month of 2010 in which the maximum number of items were sold.
Correct.
Okay, that's what we are trying to find it out. Okay, this query got executed, and month is 2010 September, and this is the
Some of
number of
the
items which has been sold in September 2010. Okay,
okay. Let me
we'll go to
read
the
the
next question. Yeah, Shiva.
In the month of January 2010, find the country in which maximum number of items were sold.
Okay, so this is our query number 4. It's executing. Okay, the query is still executing. Okay, it got completed. Okay, in January 2010, United Kingdom is the country with the maximum number of items sold. Okay, this is the output. United Kingdom 269953, and the time taken to execute this query is 166.987 seconds. We can move on to the next one.
Okay. The next question is the stock code of the item with the highest number of sales in the given country in the year 2010.
Okay. Stock code.
Yeah.
1 second, let me go to the.
So which country are you taking right now, Ilavarsi?
1 second. United Kingdom, throughout the thing, we are taking United Kingdom only.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Okay. So just to maintain the uniformity, I have taken the United Kingdom. Okay. It's running now. Because they said like given country, it's of your choice. From throughout this assignment, we had taken United Kingdom for our assignment.
Yeah.
Okay. The query got executed, and this is the stock code 84077. Okay.
Okay. Let's move on to the next question.
Next question. Yeah.
Stock code of the item for which the maximum revenue was received by sales in the month of December 2010.
Okay. Let me move on to the. So. Okay, this is a stock code, and this is sum of the revenue. Okay, 22423, and time taken to execute this particular query is 153.702 seconds. We'll move on to the next
Okay.
question. Yeah.
Yeah, the next question and last question is the country in which minimum number of sales happened in 2010.
Okay, it's a minimum number of sales. Okay. We'll move on to the master. Country in which the minimum number of sales happened in 2010. So in this query, if you see, like we are ordering by quantity, ascending limit by 1. That's what we are doing it. Okay. To get the minimum quantity.
Correct.
So we got the result now. The Lebanon is the country with the quantity 71, which is the minimum. Okay, time taken to execute this particular query is 133.401 seconds. We have run all the 7 queries. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.